Nothing. I just want her to hold some hair. Shake it a little bit. Show a little, yes, show the colors. Move it around. Okay, be still. We got some 30. We got some black and burgundy. Some 4 and 27 mix. Be still, Maya. Some ombre colors, green, yellow, red, and then black, dark green, light green. Hey guys, for this video I'm doing some large knotless box braids on my daughter's hair using the pretty fall colors that you just seen. So I'm only putting those colors in the back. So I'm just going to do my simple 3-strand method for the knotless box braids. So once you figure out what size you want your box braid to be, then you can take that piece and split it into 3 even pieces. That way you get your braids even in the same size. So you just, once you get your 3 even pieces, that's what you're going to feed into the box braid, and you do that same thing for every braid. I only use 3 strands for every braid. So the only time I will use more is if I'm extending the braid to make it really long. But I'm using, I think, 50-inch hair, so that's long enough for her. So I'm just adding in 3 and no more than that. So now I'm just going to show you guys a few different ways that I can style her large knotless box braids for a Thanksgiving outing. So this is the first one. I just pulled all the braids to the side and stuck a flower in there that I got from Dollar Tree and pulled them apart. So it might have been maybe 4 flowers on there for $1. So I just pulled one out, and it has a little wire on there so you can tie it around easily or just stick it in there. So that's one way. Another way we can style them is with like the 2 space balls in the front and leave the back hanging down. And I left the back hanging down to show the fall colors that I put in the back. Another way I styled it is I pulled all the braids up into a bun. And again, this is a fall little leaf garland that I grabbed out of Dollar Tree for $1. And I just wrapped that around the bun. Yes, it's a little dramatic, but it's cute. And it fits the little fall Thanksgiving theme, so I like it. Another easy way to style these box braids is the most popular half up, half down, but I put the ponytail to the side because I just think it looks cute that way, and left the back hanging down. So, and again, I stuck the little flower up in the top of the ponytail. And this is just showing you the colors in the back. They came out really cute, and it really has that fall and Thanksgiving vibe to it. And here the braids are all down and they're pretty much swept to the side also. And this is a little leaf clip in, and that came out of Dollar Tree also. So I just clipped it in there for a little hair decor with the braids hanging down. And I curled the end of the braids up with some rods also to give it a little more dressy flair. And here, this is the same little garland that was wrapped around the bun. So I like this little halo thing. You can fill it in more with some more flowers if you want to. I had more flowers that I could have tied it around, but this was really quick, so I just set it up there. And she loved her hair, by the way. Can't you tell? Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.